Hi, and welcome to Arbuza. We have redesigned our website with you in mind. At Arbuza, we want to empower you to live your best life on your terms, suitable to your body and your lifestyle. Arbuza will guide you through your life's ebbs and flows, making sure that you feel strong, energized, and ready to take on every single day. Arbuza has two parts, for individuals and for communities. For individuals, we're introducing the Signature program. We have built this program with a scientific approach and rigorous data analysis, tailored to address your specific needs both within your body and your everyday life. For communities, the aim is to create lasting change. Our outreach has the purpose of addressing problems around the unseen hardships arising from chronic malnutrition. Using field-gathered qualitative and quantitative data, we help formulate innovative strategies for sustainable nutrition and health. Our founders have changed the conversation with their research in nutritional biochemistry, genetics, and behavioral studies. We have a diverse team of researchers with expertise in behavior change, systems biology, and epigenetic analysis. Finally, we believe in collaborative healing. With increasing medical problems arising due to lifestyle issues, we want to work with doctors to share the load and help patients recover sustainably. So do head over to arbuza.in to check out our new website.